Hi guys, in the earlier video we talked about takeover and merger. A common term used for both takeover and merger is integration. In this video we'll talk about types of integration. Let's start with horizontal integration. It occurs when one business takes over or merges with another business having the same nature of industry and same stage of production. To have a better understanding of this term, we need to understand the two key elements that are part of this definition. One is same nature of industry and the other is same stage of production. So what does it mean when we say same nature of industry? It means both businesses which are merging together, they deal in the same type of good or service. For example, a mango fruit farm takes over another mango fruit farm. Now in this case, both deal in the same good, that is mangoes. Similarly, a furniture manufacturer takes over another furniture manufacturer. Both deal in the same good, that is furniture or wood. The other key element that is part of the definition is same stage of production. So it means that both businesses must be operating at the same level. If one business is in the primary sector, the other business also has to be in the primary sector. As I gave you the example, a fruit farm takes over another fruit farm. Now both are in the primary sector, and if they operate in the same kind of fruit such as mangoes or oranges, it means that they are horizontally integrated. Similarly, if I talk about a car showroom takes over another car showroom, again both operate in the tertiary sector, and so that means their stage of production is same and their product is also the same because both deal in cars, so their nature of industry is also the same. Similarly, if let's say you manufacture shoes and you merge with or take over another business that manufactures shoes, again the nature of industry is the same. Why? Because both deal in shoes, and the stage of production is also the same because both are in the secondary sector. Then comes vertical integration. It occurs when one business takes over or merges with another business having a different stage of production but same nature of industry. For example, if one business is operating in primary sector, takes over another business in the secondary sector, so stage is different. So this can be an example of vertical integration, but their products must be the same. They must deal in the same product. For example, if I talk about furniture manufacturer, so if it takes over a furniture showroom, now both deal in the same good, that is furniture, but furniture manufacturer is in the secondary sector and furniture showroom is in the tertiary sector. So this type of vertical integration is called forward vertical integration, and it happens when one business takes over or merges with another business at a later stage of production. Of course, secondary sector comes first and then there comes tertiary sector. So but their product is the same, so their nature of industry is the same, they deal in the same product, that is furniture, but their stage of production is different. One is in the secondary sector and the other is in the tertiary sector. Similarly, another example, for example, a toy factory takes over or merges with a toy shop. Now again toy factory is in the secondary sector and toy shop where toys are sold is in the tertiary sector. This is also an example of forward vertical integration because their nature of industry is same because they deal in the same good, that is toys, but their stage of production is different because one is in the secondary sector and other is in the tertiary sector. So if the secondary sector business takes over a tertiary sector business, we call it forward vertical integration because it is merging with another business at a later stage of production. Okay, similarly, there is another concept related to vertical integration, that is backward vertical integration, and that occurs when one business merges or takes over another business at an earlier stage of production. So for example, a juice factory, a juice factory where fruits are processed to make juice, they take over a fruit farm. Now both deal in the same goods, let's say fruit or mangoes or oranges, whatever it is. They deal in the same product, but their stage of production is different. Fruit farm is in the primary sector, whereas juice factory is in the secondary sector. So when the juice factory takes over a fruit farm, it means it will be called backward vertical integration, because it is merging with another business at an earlier stage of production, because primary sector comes first and then comes secondary sector. Last but not the least is conglomerate integration. Another name given to it is diversification. It occurs when one business takes over or merges with another business in a completely different industry. For example, a restaurant business takes over a construction company, or for example, a garments manufacturing business takes over or merges with an airline company. Now it is in a completely different industry. So such type of integration is called conglomerate integration.